You will need a frying pan and couple of ingredients. To make this amazing 10-minute tres leches cake, you'll need a heavy-duty pan to make this cake. We are going to melt some butter over low heat. You want to swirl the pan that with the butter coats every bit of the pan. We are going to make the cake directly in here, so consider what I absolutely love about this recipe is that it's fast and then it's easy cleanup. To the melted butter, you're gonna add the sugar, vanilla, and an egg and give everything a good whisk. Make sure to use the whisk that won't scratch the frying pan. If you're new to the channel, hello there, make sure to subscribe and click notification bell. I post new video every day. Add the flour, the baking soda, and milk and want you to mix this batter until it's combined. At this point, the cake batter is basically done and we're ready to make a cake. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan with a spatula and you clean the edges, and we're gonna cook this on the stove over low heat on a small burner covered with a lid. Cook this on the stove over the heat on a small burner covered with a lid. Here's a close-up of the flame. As you can see, is on the lowest setting possible, and you're going to cook this cake for around 10 to 12 minutes. For the leches milk bath, add milk, heavy cream or evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla. For the topping, I add custard mix with nuts. It is optional, you can add cream.